Okay, so today we're going to be using Open Art AI to create UGC content with our influencers or our AI twin. So start with create. You want to select image. Okay, right here for your custom settings, you can select something or you can't. You can always switch your model character. I personally like Nana Banana. I like Sea Dream 4.5, and I also like Open Art Photoristic. But for this video, we're gonna just stick with the Nana Banana Pro. Okay, so we're gonna select that. You want to write your prompt to create your base image. There's my prompt. It's gonna ask me how many do I want. I'm gonna use 2 for now because you want to total about, I'm gonna say 6 to 8, so you can have something to choose from. Okay, 6 to 8 because you want to have something to choose from. Here I'm going to delete this image because I was working on something earlier today, and I'm going to upload my AI twin. Okay, there's my AI twin. Look at how cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do create, and I'm gonna wait on that to load. It takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Well, you know, guys, I missed a step. Hold on. I'm going to let these generate, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to start from the beginning, because you all know that I don't cut out my mistakes, because if you make the same mistake, well, I'm not going to say if you make the same mistake. I'm going to say to prevent you from making the same mistake I did, I forgot to upload my product. It uploaded it anyway, if you see right here, because I have not I didn't upload it here. I should have uploaded my influencer and my product. But if you look in my prompt, my product is in my prompt. So that's why I went ahead and did it. So we're not going to do that part. But once you get started, go to create, go to image, change your model, whichever model you like, and play with them to see which one you like. Because I like this one. You may like Sea Dream. So pick what you like, okay? And then add your prompt. And this is why it's important to have a good prompt, simply because if I had messed it up, I would have wasted credits, and I would have had to regenerate and use another 70 credits. But because it was in my prompt, it went ahead and did it. So we can look at both of these images. Oh, that's cute. And you know the crazy thing is, she looks real, because my AI twin, y'all see her, she is polished, all made up. This image here, she has she just looks real. She looks real. She has not natural makeup on, like she has got on some basic lip gloss, eyeliner, mascara. She might have shaded her eyebrows in. Her hair looks really good. She has the natural lines and stuff in her hand, so she looks real. She looks real. I like this one. Let's check the next one. No, I skipped over too fast. This one, she looks real, but she's not as polished. But she looks real. She looks good. Her hair, it maintained the hairstyle of my AI twin. It maintained the jewelry. Also, it kept my brand name on my shirt. So the background is good. I didn't add a background in my prompt. I always like to let it generate its own background, but you can always add a background. But I think I'm gonna go with this one because her skin just looks a little bit better. It's more glowing. And if I'm trying to promote vitamins, you want something that resonate with your ideal audience. If a person wants to not only be laser focused, but they want to look good while they're doing it, I'm promoting vitamins. So guess what? I'm gonna go with this one because it looks like she has a natural glow. Hope that makes sense. Okay. Exit off of this one, and I'm gonna add to this prompt for the product information. Okay. So now we're just gonna go ahead. Let's try another one. Let's try. Y'all wanna do Sea Dream? Let's do Sea Dream. Okay. Now we have our influencer, we have our product. We're going to do 2. It's going to cost us 24 credits, and we're going to do create. Now I did add the product description because I found when you type out the product description, once it shows it, it just shows it so much clearer. So the words are spelled correctly and it's just readable. So yeah, I always type in the product description, what's on the front of the product. Okay, we have our image. Let's look at it. Ooh, baby. Okay, look at that. Y'all, I might have to change from Nana Banana Pro to Sea Dream. I don't know. Cause now I don't listen. Hold on. Okay, I'm skipping too quick. Okay, this is the one that I will use. Oh my. Look how look at that. Tell me in the comments what y'all think about this. I am okay. I think this is the one I'm gonna use because yeah, I think this is the one I'm gonna use. I love it. I love it. I love it. She looks healthy. She looks healthy. Her skin is glowing. It has the natural lines and stuff on her face, on her arms. So yeah, yeah, this is the one I think. Okay, so we're gonna run this one back. We're gonna run C Dance back, and we're gonna paste something else she's doing. Cause like I told you, we want to get a few different angles, right? Well, I'm not gonna say angles. We want to get a few different sceneries. Okay, it generated. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, y'all. Okay. Okay, C Dance. She is it, y'all. She is it. Yeah, they cut her head off right here though, but that's fine because this one is it. Let me show you. This one is it, and I'm gonna use this one. I'll just cut off this part and just only show this part, cause y'all, the way the sun just beaming on her face, it just make her look healthy. She looks focused. Okay, I love the color. Everything is popping. This, I think we got what we gonna use, right? I think we got it. Okay, let's see these, and then we're gonna move on, y'all. Yeah, why her hand over there? Why is her hand over there? This is what makes this type of stuff so fun, because I can use that. I can use it now. Don't get it twisted. I love this one. I love this one. I love this one. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so let's get to the video part, right? That's what y'all been waiting on. Okay, so we're gonna go to the left. We're gonna select video. Once it turn blue, we know we're on the video. I'm gonna scroll down. We're gonna do lip sync video. This is the last one I used, so I'm gonna stick with it. It did really well for me. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this image. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna select image. Yeah, I'm gonna pick my favorite one first, right? I'm gonna pick my favorite one first. So we're gonna drag this one here. Okay, and right here it says, please provide a detailed description of the action. Hey friends, so you just saw how I use my AI twin, my AI influencer, to create this UGC type video. Anyway, I am not getting paid by that product. I am not getting paid by that brand. I just love it. I truly use it. I truly wish you would go get it. You will see a change. Anyway, if you like the way I did this video, you want to know how to create videos like this, how to design in Canva, how to be in a space with other women that's doing the same thing that you are doing, you're tired of thugging it out on your own, join the Better Together community where we truly believe that we can do anything we want to do better together. Join in, friends. See you inside. Folded in the scene. You can make a prompt, or you can just pretty much say something. I mean, you can type in a prompt out of your head, or you can go to a chat GPT, a cloud, or something like that and ask it to give you something to do. But we're just going to type in a prompt. Okay, now I just typed it in. I just said she's looking directly into the camera, showing the product. On your voice, you can use a voice that you've used in the past. You can upload a voice. You can record a voice, or you can create a voice. And they have different voices that you can use to create a voice. But I've already created a voice, so I'm just going to upload a voice that I created prior to making this video. Okay, so now it's telling me if I use OmniHuman, the voice model, it's gonna take 700 credits, which is reasonable. Okay, so we're gonna select create and let it do its thing. Yeah. Okay, that one has generated, but I'll show it later on in the video, because I do it now, it's gonna mess up the audio on the video I'm currently recording, and I don't want to do that. But it looks great, y'all. It looks great. I can't wait till you see it. Now we're gonna do a few more videos. So now we're just gonna slide up to image to videos, and again we're gonna select the image, and we're gonna find one that we like, which we like all of them, but it's gonna be this one. Okay, you know, you can select the model. You select the model, and because I am feeling this sea dance, we're gonna stay with the sea dance. Well, you can read through them to see which one best suits you. You can read through them. Let's do video 3. Video 3. Let's do that one. Why not? Why not? Okay. And again, you can change all of your stuff, especially resolution. I like to do the 4000, because I'm going to do this on a smartphone. I'm going to do a 9:16. If I was doing a full YouTube video, like this video on the whole screen, I would do a 16 by 9. So I'm just going to do a 9:16, because that's what I use for shorts, reels, TikTok videos, or whatever, right? Because I'm going to repurpose these videos. I'm going to use them on my social media. So I want this in a 9:16, right? So we're going to do the same thing. Put in our prompt. It kept our last request. So then we're just going to select create. And this is actually going to be our last video. And then I'll show you how we put them all together at the end. Okay, that one has generated as well. And y'all, hopefully it won't cut off my audio, but if it does, we'll see it. Let's see how it is. You have to add the lip sync to this one, but I'm not going to add the lip sync to this one. I just want her music saying, yes, baby, just give me all the focus I need. Perfect. Okay, just perfect. I can't wait to put this all together and you guys see it at the end, because listen, I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to crop some stuff and make it work. This one, because, I mean, I just love it. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Y'all, OpenAI is where it's at. I can do all my workflows right here. It's a great tool. And no, I'm not sponsored for this video, but I do enjoy using it. It makes stuff so much simpler, so much easier. I can do everything in one space, and yeah, love it. Highly recommend it.
You have got to try these Ollie Laser Focus supplements. Look at this. They seriously help me stay sharp and focused throughout the day.